Hello, this is Jason Hodges with AgTerra. In this video, we are going to review how to create tank mixes using the chemicals that you have entered into your SprayLogger system. In a previous video, we've recorded and shown you how to add individual chemicals. So now this is combining those chemicals into a tank mix. Once you're into the website, you'll go to Administration, Chemicals, and then Tank Mixes. From here, I can see any pre-existing tank mixes I have. If I want to do a new one, I can. This one I'll make Tordon K. I have the ability to select this by gallons or acres, and then I can give it an order number and hit Insert. Here we go, I have it right here. Now I can hit my plus button and now I can add new chemicals to this. So from here I have my chemical list, and I can scroll through and find all of my chemicals. I can adjust the amounts that I want on here. And here I have gallons, liters, fluid ounces, not to be confused with dry ounces. You do have both, quarts, pints, milliliters, pounds, and grams. So I can adjust this as I need to. So I have 1 fluid ounce per 1 gallon of liquid or liter. So I can make those adjustments as I need to, and then hit Add. So as I go through this, I can begin to add additional chemicals to this. So for instance, let's say I want some highlight in here, and I'm going to do let's say a ½ gallon per 1 gallon. Now I have that added. As I do this, you'll see that it starts to track what my mix percentage is. Since I'm putting this in it particularly as a gallon, I have a ½ gallon, which makes up 50% of my mix per gallon, and then my Tordon at 1 fluid ounce making up 0.78%. The remainder of this, for instance, would be carrier, and that's right here. The system will automatically do the math on, and so this will break out as you need to. If you ever want to make any adjustments on your tank mixes, open them up, hit the Edit tool, hit Save, and then you can adjust it. Now you will get a notification that's saying any alterations to this tank mix will not affect previous applications. So I'm not going to go backwards and change any applications I've already done in the past. It's just moving forward. So then that'll refresh my list and then readjust my percentages. Thank you very much. This has been Jason Hodges on how to add chemicals to tank mixes.